And so we invite you now to lean back and to relax. Breathe deeply, relaxing. Breathe deeply, relaxing. Imagine in the center of your heart a golden warm light pulsating. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your body. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your aura. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into the room that you're in. Now, imagine for all your wonderful galactic families of light, your angels and guides, your ascended masters and Elohim, and the Telosians, to stand around you, and they smile at you with so much love. Breathe it in, dear ones. Feel the energies and the presence of all your wonderful family of light that is with you always. And for a moment, we would like for you to think of something that you wish to heal. It might be an experience or a situation or something in your body. When you have it, dear ones, extend your right hand with your palm up in your mind. Now imagine in the palm of your hand a clear sphere. It is maybe 7 inches in diameter. And now imagine that you place the situation, experience, or yourself, whatever needs healing, in this bubble. And as you look at it in this bubble, we invite you now to release any energies that are connected with that. The energies are usually located in your solar plexus and in your heart center. And so for now, I invite you now to blow these energies that are connected with this experience into the bubble. And these energies have the form of a gray smoke. So simply imagine that you're blowing gray smoke into this bubble that are representing all the energies and emotions connected to that experience, whatever it is. Continue to blow this gray smoke into this bubble. Keep blowing this gray smoke into this bubble. Eventually, the color of that smoke becomes lighter and lighter until no smoke is left. Now, beloved Master Hilarion and Master Saint Germain are putting their hands on this bubble, this sphere, and they are adding now all of your past life energies that are connected with it, parallel energies, and future energies. And they're putting them all in this bubble. and they are complete. Now, beloveds, say in your heart, release. And let this word release come up and out your mouth. Release. And say it several times. Release. 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 Slowly, this sphere is floating now upwards. And as it is floating upwards, it is met by the green healing ray and the violet flame. And these two now fill up this sphere. You can see the light filling it up all the way to the top as it is floating upwards. As it reaches the ceiling, it bursts into white light and butterflies. And breathe. Now, this green healing ray comes down to you, entering your head, flowing down your neck, down the back of your back, down your arms, your torso, your legs. It is filling you with this green healing ray and with God's life force. Breathe it in. And this healing ray now is filling your entire aura. Now this green healing ray is concentrating on your third eye. And it is swirling and swirling, clearing your third eye. Right between your eyes. And as it is clearing, it begins now to go inward towards your pineal gland. And it is clearing and healing your pineal gland. Activating your pineal gland. And now, the green healing ray is complete. And now, as an additional gift, let's see what you are supposed to receive from your I Am Presence in God. So imagine in front of you a movie screen. And the green healing ray now enters from above, enters your head, and it is coming out your third eye and is acting like a projector. So now imagine for this green ray to project onto this movie screen your divine plan, the vision for your life. And you see yourself living this vision with so much joy. And all those around you are also in so much joy and happiness and well-being. Just feel how your body feels as you are seeing these beautiful images. Perhaps you have a little smile on your face. And so now you begin to fold up this movie screen into a very small package and bring this very small package now to your heart center and press it into your heart. Take a deep breath in and out. To anchor it within your heart. When you feel complete, dear one, open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and head. Welcome back, dear one.